Hi guys, welcome to channel from Fix and Baby. Today we will show you the ring light. It's equipped with different kinds and you can use it for your microscope. About the three kinds of ring light. The first one, it's 114 volt light. It means the light has inset with different lamps. So it's totally 114 volt. It's black. About this kind of light, it's 15.6. It means it's inset with 15.6 bulb on the ring. First, install the 15.6 ring light on the microscope. Turn on the switch. Adjust the brightness. Now install the 114 volt ring light. Connect to power. Turn on the switch. Adjust the brightness. Install oil-proof light on the microscope. You can get any accessories like ring light and the microscope on our phone fix shop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. See you next time.